Hey guys, what's going on? So a few days ago in this tutorial I showed you how to make this really simple and cool origami outfit, shirt and pants, from one sheet of paper, and these are both from a 2x1 rectangle, so you can click right here for that tutorial. Well, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this variation that I just designed. It's a very similar model, but this one is folded from one square sheet of paper. No cutting, tapering, or gluing. And yeah, so I highly first recommend folding the 2x1 rectangle first because it's a little bit easier. But then, if you want a model that's slightly more intricate, then here it is. So this is the version from a whole square, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 6" square of this foil origami paper that I got for my birthday, and I have a link in the description if you want to buy it. But you can fold it out of an ordinary sheet of kami, and you'll get one that looks like. So you can use a sheet of kami, and you'll get one that looks like this, or you can use a sheet of printer paper cut square, or you can use regular foil like this. And here I also managed to fold it from a 3" square of kami. Okay, so I'm going to use this fancy foil. So let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. So this will give me a white shirt. It'll get one like this, a white shirt with gold pants. But if you want white pants, then you get this side up. Okay, so fold in half like this. I do have to warn you, this is more difficult than the other one. So first, make sure you fold this one first. Okay. And fold in half this way. We'll fold in half again, like this. This is thick foil paper, so I'm creasing really hard. Honestly, I recommend using kami on your first try. Use thinner paper for your first try. Oh yeah, sorry. Fold in half this way too. Okay, unfold, and take this edge and fold it to the crease. Remember, here's the edges on the left, make sure they're on the left side. Try and hold them together so they don't slide. Alright, so this is going to be the pants, and it's going to be the shirt. So if you want the shirt to be color changed, then let's take this edge and fold it to here. If you don't do this step, you might end up with a gold shirt too, which might be pretty cool. Well, I don't know because I didn't do that. Okay, crease sharply, and there's a color change. Alright, and now take these two sides and fold them to the middle. Okay, and now let's take this part and we're going to fold it up in between this point and this point. And repeat right here. And this one's a little bit more challenging because it's more layers. But yeah, same thing, fold in between there and this point. Like this. Face it down a little bit. And that's what it looks like. Now turn over and let's fold these two sleeves. Yeah, these can be the two sleeves. Fold them up over the edges like this, as far as they go. Okay, and now we're going to take this point, and this is to taste. This is just how far you want your sleeve. But yeah, make sure you're folding on that point. Yeah, I'm going to do it about like that. Alright, and repeat on this side. It's about like that, it's good. It's to taste. Make sure you're folding on that point. Okay, and that's what it looks like. Alright, and now comes the kind of tricky step. What we're going to do is we're going to take this part and we're going to fold it up, and we're going to make a little pleat right here. So we're going to mountain fold around that crease. And we're just going to kind of alter the paper, pivot it up like this, so that this point goes beyond this edge, like this. So the reason why we're doing this is so that we can make the the spacing in between the pants. So this is really up to you, but just kind of eyeball it. So just probably about like this is good. It doesn't need to be perfect. Or really, it could be to taste. If you want like a really like thick white line in the middle, like a lot of spacing, then fold it up more like this. But about like this is good for 6-inch paper. All right, rotate like this. Take this edge and fold it up so that the fold we're making aligns with this edge. Like that. Okay. And now we're gonna open the pocket here. There's 2 white pockets right here and right here. It doesn't matter which one you do. I'm just gonna do the rightmost pocket. There's also a colored pocket in the middle, but make sure you do the white one. And just squash it like that. Okay. And now take these pants right here, this part, and fold it up so that the fold goes a little bit beyond this edge. A little bit below that edge, like that. See? Or you could make it align perfectly with the edge, but I think it's better if I go beyond it a little bit. There you go, just like that. That's good. See? And this is our pants completed. And now let's continue with the shirt. So there should be a little, if you look closely at your model, there should be a little crease right there. You see that? Let's mount and fold right on that crease. Okay? And take this part and we're going to just fold it down so this edge aligns with that crease right there. You can kind of rotate it if you'd like. Just like that. Yeah, the paper's getting pretty thick. Maybe I should have used a sheet of kami. Yeah, it does get really thick right here, so yeah. Okay, and now, if you're using thick paper, then this might be the hardest step. So, we're gonna lock this together, so we're just gonna airplane fold these 2 points. And this is really thick, so good luck. So make sure you're folding right on this point, so that way it stays perfectly locked. If you're using a sheet of kami, this might be a bit easier. Well, yeah, obviously from thinner paper. But yeah, this is thick foil. But since this is foil, this is actually easier than it looks, because it'll stay. And repeat right here too. And it's actually it's actually much easier on this side because it's less layers. See, like that. There is the airplane fold. So yep, so if you're using thick paper, hope you're able to do that. And yeah, so there it is. And now if you like, now it's just all about shaping to taste. So, like maybe in that other model, you can make a curved mountain fold to suggest a collar. If you want, you don't have to do that. And there it is. And then you can kind of just 3-dimensionalize the pants a little bit. Just shape it to taste, however you'd like. God, this is so hard for me because I'm using really thick. I'm using really thick foil paper, really thick paper. Yep, so there it is. Oh, and what's also cool about this model is that you can actually unfold this flap like this, make it like a 90-degree angle, and place it on the table, and you can pop it up just like that. See? Isn't that cool? I mentioned that in the live stream. When I taught it in the live stream. See? It's a nice little fidget toy. And of course you can also make it jump. And I also mentioned that in my live stream. You just see it jumps just like that for some reason. It works best if you use like really thick paper to make it jump. And this foil is perfect for that. So your finger slips off of the edge and hits the table. See? Just like that. That is pretty cool right there. Just gonna do it up here. Jumps just like that. See? Whoa! Oh my god, that's pretty cool. Alright, so there it is. Well, hope you guys were able to fold that. And if you weren't able to fold it, well, at least try this one, because this one's a lot easier to fold. And for that tutorial, click right here. Alright, I hope you guys are able to fold this, and make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.